Hey, Crunchyfied Clean friends, great question, and I'm happy to answer and tell you. So for that bathroom picture, specifically for the dusting, what I always like to do is first I use microfiber wholesale cloths, microfiber cloths from Microfiber Wholesale. They are amazing for dusting and for cleaning. They also have glass and mirror cloths that are made specifically for glass and mirrors. So I use this for dusting. What I did for that picture and what I do for dusting and cleaning is I spray down the cloth with my thieves cleaner, or sometimes I'll just spray the surface if it's a table with my thieves cleaner and wipe it off with the microfiber cloth. Microfiber is amazing, as you could see. Very, very, very compact, thousands and thousands of little fibers. So these tiny little fibers grab dust and dirt and debris like ain't nobody's business and holds onto it, and then you just wash it. So it cleans really, really well. And then for the floors in that video, I have thieves cleaner as well in here. This one is 2 to 3 caps. I made it really, really strong because I love the scent for cleaning. And then for the floors, it's usually just 1 cap, really diluted down with water, and it's safe on all type of floor surfaces. So that's how I get floors nice and clean. And then I use my thieves cleaner for cleaning bathrooms and all these other surfaces. And then microfiber cloths or glass and mirror cloths for cleaning the bathroom and for cleaning everything else. So hope that helps. Feel free to ask any other questions. Oh, I'm also a distributor. I sell thieves cleaner. It's a concentrated plant-based cleaner. It's safe on all surfaces. So if you're interested, if you want to buy it, let me know. Message me. I can send you my link, or go on crunchycleaningbycathy.com. And if you want to get the microfiber wholesale cloths, they are also on my website. My link, Crunchy Cleaning by Cathy. So check out that website, crunchycleaningbycathy.com, for more cleaning products.